Hi, are you thinking of buying a business, but the financials you've been given don't quite give you the confidence that you really need to make sure that the business has been making a profit and will make the profit that you expect it to make? Do you hope that with the start of this business, there won't be extra maintenance, taxes, liabilities, and equipment expenses that haven't been disclosed or may not be obvious in reading the financials and the tax returns? So you know that when you purchase a business, you want it to not just be profitable, but you want to make sure that it doesn't have the liabilities and any tax fraud or any other tax situations that might come with that. So what if we could fully examine the tax returns and books from the business you want to purchase and make sure that there are no hidden liabilities, higher maintenance costs, and less profitability than what's being reported by the seller? So Merager Financial Solutions is your solution for this situation. We are the group that can do that. That is outside of the scope probably of your bookkeeper and far less expensive than a CPA would charge you for that type of work. We are the source to find the real profits for your current business and any business you might be thinking of purchasing. Contact us and let's uncover the real story of your books and the books of companies that you're thinking about purchasing. Hope you have a fantastic rest of the day. Cheers.